Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a crucial topic for Houston's business owners. Microsoft 365 scams. We all know that Microsoft 365 is a powerhouse for cloud-based productivity. But with great tools come great threats. Cybercriminals are getting sneakier by the day, targeting businesses just like yours. So, let's talk about how Impress ITT Solutions is stepping up to keep you safe. First off, understanding these scams is key. Cyber crooks have a bag of tricks designed to steal data and cause chaos. You've got phishing emails, those fake messages pretending to be from Microsoft or someone you trust, trying to steal your login info. Then there's business email compromise, or BEC, where hackers use a real email account to request wire transfers or sensitive info. Don't forget fake security alerts and malicious file sharing links. And of course, account takeovers where they get full access to your emails and files. It's a nightmare. Why are Houston businesses such prime targets? Well, the big shift to remote work means more reliance on cloud platforms like Microsoft 365, making it easier for hackers to strike. Many employees aren't fully aware of these threats, and sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and energy hold valuable data that hackers crave. It's a perfect storm. But here's where Impress IT Solutions comes in to save the day. Our approach is thorough and proactive. We start with advanced email security, using AI-driven filtering to catch those phishing attempts. We also use domain authentication methods like DMARC, SPF, and DKIM to stop email spoofing in its tracks. Next, we enforce multi-factor authentication, MFA, to make sure only authorized users get in. We even set up conditional access policies to catch and block suspicious logins. It's like having a digital bouncer for your account. But we don't stop there. Employee security training is a huge part of our strategy. We run regular phishing simulations and host workshops to keep your team sharp and aware of potential threats. Knowledge is power after all. We also have real-time threat monitoring, keeping an eye on your Microsoft 365 activity 24/7. If something looks fishy, we're on it immediately. And just in case the worst happens, our data backup and recovery solutions ensure that your emails and files are safe and can be quickly restored, minimizing downtime. So there you have it. Microsoft 365 scams are on the rise, but with Impress IT Solutions, Houston businesses can stay one step ahead. We're committed to protecting your operations, finances, and reputation from cyber threats. Don't wait until it's too late. Reach out to Impress IT Solutions today and fortify your Microsoft 365 security. Stay safe, stay productive, and keep thriving, Houston.